What if I told you that just by looking in the mirror and repeating one sentence 8 times, you could shift your entire reality? Sounds unbelievable, right? But I've lived it. I've felt it. This isn't just positive thinking, it's quantum-level transformation. In the next few minutes, I'll share how this one practice helped me shift my identity, rewire my subconscious, and call in a life I once thought impossible. Stay with me until the end. I'll guide you through exactly how to do it, and you'll leave knowing how to activate your divine power, the hidden power of self-concept. Every result in your life is a mirror of who you believe you are. You don't manifest what you want, you manifest who you are. And who you are is shaped by the story you repeat silently in your mind every single day. This self-concept, your identity, is the hidden script that runs your life. If you believe you're always struggling, guess what? Life will give you more struggle. But when you shift your concept of self, even just a little, the world begins to shift with you. And the most powerful way I've found to do this is the 8 times mirror repetition method. The mirror as a portal. A mirror isn't just glass, it's a portal. When you speak into it, you're not just talking to yourself. You're speaking directly to your subconscious, the divine field that creates everything. When you look into your own eyes and say something with conviction, emotion, and repetition, you bypass logic and speak directly to the truth beneath the surface. It's not affirmations you're doing. It's not hope. It's creation. And when you combine this with the ancient principle of repetition, the sacred number 8, you begin to awaken a higher power. Why 8 times? The science and symbolism. Why 8 times? In spiritual and psychological systems, 8 represents infinity, balance, and manifestation. From a neurological point of view, repetition builds new neural pathways. When you repeat a new identity with emotion and focus, your brain begins to believe it. 8 isn't random. It's long enough to impress the subconscious, but short enough to stay powerful and intentional. The number 8 holds the energy of eternal flow. What you declare in 8 repetitions begins to echo across dimensions. How? To practice. The technique. Here's exactly how I practice the 8 times mirror repetition. 1. Stand in front of a mirror, ideally at night before bed when your brain is in a receptive theta state. 2. Look into your own eyes, not your face, not your flaws, your soul. 3. Choose one clear identity statement, like, I am living the life I used to pray for, or I am worthy of unconditional love, or I am the wealth I once chased. 4. Say it aloud with feeling, 8 times. Each time, go deeper, mean it more, let it land. 5. After the 8th repetition, pause. Close your eyes. Feel what it would be like if that statement were true right now. This isn't about forcing belief. It's about planting a seed into the most fertile ground in the universe, your subconscious mind. How I manifested my dream life. There was a time I felt completely stuck. I had desires, but nothing would shift. One night, after a rough day, I stood in front of the mirror. I chose the sentence, I am living the life I used to pray for. At first, it felt silly, hollow, but I did it anyway, 8 times, every night. By the 5th day, something started changing. I began waking up with peace, with clarity. Within weeks, opportunities showed up. A new career project aligned with my purpose. A deeper love entered my life. Money began flowing from new channels. But the biggest shift? I felt like a new person. That mirror didn't change my life. It revealed the version of me who already had it all. And once I saw her, I couldn't go back. Avoiding the common mistakes. Let's talk about what not to do. 1. Don't rush it. This is not a checklist, it's communion. 2. Don't say things you don't resonate with. If I am a millionaire feels fake, try I am attracting abundance every day. Make it believable enough for your system to accept it. 3. Don't do it mindlessly. Conviction and feeling are what activate creation. 4. Don't stop after a few days. Real transformation comes with consistency. Even when nothing seems to change on the outside, your inner world is realigning. Remember, the mirror doesn't reflect your past, it reflects your command. Let's do this together. Look at yourself, or close your eyes and imagine your reflection. Repeat with me. I am the one I've been waiting for. I am living the life I used to pray for. I am safe. I am seen. I am worthy. I am the creator of my reality. 8 times, every day, until the world has no choice but to catch up to your truth. If this touched something deep within you, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with someone who needs to remember who they are, and comment below. I am ready to meet.